Piyo Barre. So we're gonna start with 2 lighter set of weights. Feet about hip distance apart. And then start lifting your heels and teeing out your arms. Lift heels, tee out your arms. Start thinking about your breath here. Inhaling when you lift, exhale when you lower. Try to make an even, consistent inhalation and exhalation. Doesn't matter how fast you go, just move with your breath. When you come down, try not to totally disengage the arms. The heels can come all the way down, but the arms, see if you can keep the shoulders open just a little bit. We're just warming up through our breath. See if you can lift up the arms just a little bit higher. Good. Keeping them nice and straight. It should be super light weights. I only have 4-pound weights. My arms are already getting tired. So just super light weights. All right, now we're going to add a twist with the wrists when we bring up the arms. Heels, same thing. Twist, open those wrists when you lift up. Exhale down. 30 more seconds. Good, last 15. Let that chest open up. When you come up, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna step just your right foot forward, the left foot back. Take both arms back behind you. Both toes should be pointed forward. Open up through the shoulders. Start pumping your arms. It's like a standing Pilates 100. Engage through your core. You can make this more challenging if you want to by just keeping those muscles engaged, like you're making a muscle. Those shoulders open. Arms nice and long. Try to lift the chin at least parallel to the ground. Good, we have another 30 seconds of these pumping. And then we're gonna do warrior 3. So we're gonna balance on the front right foot and bring the arms forward and then coming back into this motion. We have 15 more seconds and then I'll show you guys what I mean. Good. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put all of the weight onto your right leg. Lean forward, stay here in that warrior 3. Flex your foot behind you and go back into that arm pumping. Look at a spot that's not moving to help you balance. Good. 20 more seconds here. Make sure you're not on a squishy surface. Good, keep pumping, last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step that back foot into a curtsy squat. So this left leg is gonna go all the way over into a curtsy squat. Down and up. I want you to extend the arms out and in. When you lower that back knee down, extend the arms out. And a little bit of a counterbalance. I'm gonna take off my socks, but keep going. This balancing stuff, it's a little bit easier without the socks on, for me at least. Good. Reach it out and in. All right, 10 more seconds. We're gonna stay in the curtsy squat, and then we're gonna move the arms a little bit more. 3, 2, okay, come into that curtsy squat. Lower down, sweep down, and up. Sweep down, and up. You're sweeping over to that back leg, and up. See if you can get a little bit lower with your arms. And then when you come up, keep the knee bent, at least slightly, and then lower it back down. So there'll be a little bit of a movement in that back knee, pushing into that front right foot. But for the most part, it's just gonna stay bent. Good, keep exhaling down, inhaling up, 20 more seconds. Good, 10 more seconds. And then we're gonna stay in the curtsy and add a few side-to-side punches. Good, 3, 2, stay low in that curtsy. And then just little punches side to side. In that low curtsy squat. Your knee is just barely off the ground. Good. You can go as fast or as slow as you want with those punches. Just staying nice and low. 15 seconds to go. Then we'll come to that other side. Good, 8, 7, 6, get lower, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step all the way up. Whew. Other side, left foot forward, right foot back, or make sure you're doing your other side. Start with those pumps. And that standing Pilates 100. You should feel a stretch into that back leg. Your legs are about hip distance apart. Arms stay nice and long. Good, keep pressing into that front foot. We have that warrior 3 with the arm pumps coming up in 30 seconds. This is your chance to just feel into that breath. Good. Keep pumping, keep engaged with those nice long arms. Good. 10 more seconds. Find your spot that you're gonna look at and not move, like the spot that doesn't move. All right, when you're ready, balance on that front left leg, flex that foot behind you, keep pumping your arms. $15 more seconds. Try to keep that chest open. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come into that curtsy squat. That back right leg goes all the way over to the side. We're starting with elbows in. We're gonna reach out and lift up. So it's that counter motion. Reach out, bend the knee, and then lift up, elbows in. Good, 30 more seconds, and then we have those twists. And we'll come into the punches. Take your time with control, lengthening those arms nice and long when that knee lowers and bringing it in. All right, 5 more seconds. And we're gonna keep that knee low and then do our little swipes. 2, 1, extend those arms out, swipe it down and up. Swipe down and up. Down to the left side with that leg behind you, and then up. Keep that knee nice and low to the ground. Maybe a little bit of movement, but not much. All right, in 30 seconds, we have those punches. Good. Feel your breath in this. Inhaling up, exhaling down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and stay low. Punch it side to side. Get that back knee down to the ground. I have to readjust myself too. Just 30 seconds here. Punches don't have to be fast, but try to keep that knee low. 20 more seconds. Good, 10, get low. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, step it up. Woo. All right, we're gonna drop the weights for right now. And come just to the front of your mat. Step all the way to the top of your mat. Take a big deep breath in, open up through the chest. And then exhale, swan dive down. Stay here in this forward fold. Catch your breath. And then we're gonna bend the knees, step one foot back, bend them, bring it up, other foot back, bend up, and then see if you can jump. If you don't wanna jump, just keep going. One foot back, other foot back, and then add a jump if you can. If you can go fast, go fast. Faster you go, the better you, the more workout you'll get. Thirty more seconds. See if you can do a little hop. Keep going. Ten seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way up. Quick drink of water. We're going to come to our bar with one heavy weight. One of those heavy weights. In your right hand. Hold it right behind your head. We're going to open up through the elbow and close. Left hand can be on your hip or onto the bar. Take your feet out to the corners of the room, heels together. Open and close through the elbow as we lift up those heels. Good, just 30 more seconds here. My weight is already getting heavy. I'm gonna drop down. I don't wanna lose my form. If you need to drop down to the lighter one. 15 seconds. Good, 3, 2, 1. Hold the weight with both hands. Feet are gonna still point out, little hops. So here's where you could have a little bit heavier since you have both hands this time. Keep a buoyancy in your knees. Want your knees to bend when you come down. 30 more seconds. you don't like hopping, just those heel lifts. Good. A little bit faster. Last 20. 15. That weight is just gonna stay behind your head. 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, left hand back onto either your hip or the bar. Keep those feet pointed out to the corners of the room, and we're bicep curling. Bicep curl with an elbow lift. Bicep curl, elbow out. That full rotation of the shoulder. Our other side is coming up in 20 seconds. Good, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and finish up that last one. Other side. Starting with, you can put your hand onto your hip or onto your bar. Feet are gonna keep doing the same thing. And weights behind your head, out and in. Take it out when you lift up your heels, and in when you lower those heels. It's a nice counterbalancing type of motion. You have 30 seconds, we're 5 seconds in. Go as long as you can with that heavy weight, and then if you need to, switch to the lighter. 15 more seconds. Then we're coming back into those hops, and then we'll do our bicep curls. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both hands holding on to that weight. Feet still doing the same thing. Go into your hops. Keep that buoyancy in your knees. Belly button in towards your spine. Chin lifted. If you need to, you can go slower or just lift the heels. 30 seconds to go. Bicep curls with the elbow out are about in 20 seconds. 15, so you can go faster. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicep curl, elbow out. Don't forget about your feet. I almost did. Catch your breath a little bit from those hops. 30 more seconds. We'll grab a quick drink of water, and then we're gonna come back onto that bar. Good. 15. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Finish up all the way through. Quick drink of water. We're gonna need a weight and your bar. I'm gonna go heavy, but I might need to drop it down. All right, we're gonna just place our left hand onto your bar, lower the weight down, Give me about 5 pulses, just these little teeter-totter, like think of a one-legged deadlift, or like one of those birds drinking the water, you know? And then stay down, and then 5, fly up to the side. Right, when you feel, you can do a little bit more than 5, or a little bit less, and then go back into that teeter-totter motion. So I want you to go until you feel like you want to quit, and then try to get at least 1 or 2 more in, and then go into your flies. So maybe you can do 10 or 20, and then go into those flies. We're going to be here 2 minutes total. We're 30 seconds in. So it's going to equate to be about a minute of each. Maybe you can go the full minute one way, and then another full minute with the flies. But I just want you to keep that movement. We're halfway, 1 more minute. Notice which one feels harder for you, or maybe they're both equally not as hard or the same. "30 seconds to go." Good, try to be even with your flies and your deadlifts. 10 more seconds. And 3, 2, and 1. Switch it. We're gonna go right into the other side. You guys know what we're doing? 2 minutes starts now. Keep breathing, moving through this. Good. We're 30 seconds in. Squeeze that core, especially when you're flying your arm out. Keep breathing. We're about 1 minute in. 1 more minute. This is really good for just that overall stretch and strength through your entire body. Stretching your leg and strengthening through your core muscles, your powerhouse, your shoulder, your hips. 30 more seconds. Keep going, last 10 seconds. Good. 3, 2, and one. Quick drink of water. And then we're gonna come back to the bar or your chair. So before we did same side with the same weight, now I want you to switch it. So hold the weight in your left hand, right foot plants onto the ground, go back down, and then when you come up, see if you can lift your arm all the way up and your heel. Go down, all the way down, come up, lift up your heel and your arm. All the way down, lift up heel and arm. All the way down, lift up. The balancing and a little bit of cross training through that core. So it's not just the one side. "30 more seconds to go." Whew. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. Going right into it in 3, 2, and go. Same thing, other side. Oh. It's okay. My lamp is okay. Yeah, watch above you too. "30 more seconds." Might find it more difficult to balance on one side than the other. Notice these things. That's where you need to strengthen. Good. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Take that chair bar out of the way. Keep your heavier weight. We're coming into a sumo squat with the weight on the chest, elbows out to the side of the room, plug into your heels, start swaying. Side to side. When you sway, I want you to twist to the side of the room that you're swaying. You're staying nice and low in that sumo squat. Belly stays in. Try to look to both sides of the room. 20 more seconds here, but we're gonna stay in that sumo squat. Or plie squat, since this is the bar. Call this a plie squat. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, come back to center. See if you can hold that weight above your head. And little hops, plie hops. Just 30 seconds. Good, keep going. See if you can go even faster. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, stay in that plie squat. We're gonna turn to one side, lower down, circle all the way down, back up, go to your other side, all the way down and up. You're coming up toward your opposite side and alternating every time that you go back down. When you come back to center, open up through the chest, and then go right back down. 30 more seconds. We have some more plie hops. Then we're gonna do a figure 8. And then we'll move it down to the mat. $15 seconds to go. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Plie hops. Just 30 seconds. Go right into it. Time is now. Seconds in, 20 to go. 15. Go faster, last 10. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that weight in towards your chest. Lead with your right elbow up and then your left elbow. Figure 8 to both sides of the room. Right elbow leads up, bend left. Keep sinking low in that sumo squat. 20 seconds, and then we're just gonna reverse. The left elbow will be the lead elbow. Ten seconds to go. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now left elbow points up. The left elbow is the lead elbow. So focus a little bit more on that left side, even though I know the right elbow's coming up too on the upswing. Good. 20 seconds to go. Squeeze that core, belly button into the ribs. It's really good for those transverse side muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick drink of water. We're coming to our mat. Just in a bridge position. You're gonna need all 3 of your weights. And if you have a ring or a ball, you can place that in between your thighs. We're coming into bridge. Remember, we have to get 100 bridges in today. That's our new challenge for this month. So your lighter weights are gonna be little steps for your feet, just the top big round part of your feet to be on. Heels gonna be on the ground. Ring or ball in between your thighs. So we're really gonna focus on pushing into your heels. Place that weight onto your pelvic bone. And then just start bridging up and down. You know, we got a lot of stuff going on. With the low body, you're stepping onto the weights. If you don't have weights, just try to lift up your toes a little bit. So you're really pushing into your heels. We're gonna go for 2 straight minutes. Just hold that weight onto your lap. Feel all that added extra work here. Keep squeezing your prop if you have one to put in between those thighs. Focus on each vertebrae going down and up. Good. We're 30 seconds in. We have another minute and a half. If you want to, count how many bridges you're doing. Good. We're 1 minute in, 1 more minute to go. Good. We will stretch after this. If you're cramping, try to make it through. We only have 30 more seconds. Good, last 20 seconds. $15, so close. I don't even know if we're doing all 100. Might do a little bit more after this, but I promise we're gonna stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, and lower your hips down. Take away everything but just the heavy weight. Just the one heavy weight all the way back behind your head. Your feet are gonna come into a straight position right above you. Flex your feet, reach all the way up toward those feet. Lower just one leg down, up, just your other leg down, back up, both legs down, and reach up. One leg down, up, other leg down, up, both legs down, and up. Flex those feet so you can feel the stretch. If you want to, point your toes, point them on the way down. Twenty more seconds to go. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you have those lighter weights, move them out of the way for right now. And place that ringer ball back in between your thighs. We're gonna do some bridge hops, making sure we get all 100 in. Hold that weight back behind your head and just hop. Hop, and then a little lower down, but most of the lower is gonna come just by the momentum of you hopping. And just hover that weight behind your head. Keep going. 30 more seconds. It's gonna be all stretching after this in 15. Good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. On fire, you should be on fire. Legs straight out. Flex those feet, reach the weight all the way back behind you. Exhale, bring it up, over to one side, reach. Then right back down. Inhale, on the way down. Exhale, come to your other side, reach it. And then lower right back down. Take the weight behind you. Exhale up, reach to one side, then lower right back down. Keep reaching, alternate sides. If that weight is too heavy to reach it, drop to one of your lighter weight ones. 30 more seconds. Just with those side-to-side reaches. Move with the breath. Inhaling back, exhaling up. Good. 10 more seconds to go, and then we're gonna stay up. 3, 2, and staying all the way up with those legs out nice and long in front of you. Keeping that heavy weight. It's gonna go back up above your head and twist to one side. Right back up, twist to your other side. Moving with that breath. Inhaling up, exhaling, twisting. Good, 30 more seconds. Last 15, and we're gonna stay up. We're almost done. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, stay up. Keep the weight just on your chest. Lift up your right leg, point your toe, take it all the way over to one side, and then the other side. Tap, tap. Well, you're not gonna really tap when you cross it, but you can cross, or you can tap it when you take it out. But when you cross it, just an invisible air tap. Good. Now I want you to try to add a twist. When your leg goes out to the side, twist the opposite direction of your leg. Good, another 10 seconds. And we'll do the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Lift up that leg, left leg, point the toe, tap it out to the side, cross. Now remember, we're gonna try to twist into this. Twist the opposite way that the leg goes. Good. This is nice core action here. 15 seconds, then we're done. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Really good job.